There were two people at the turn of the century in the 1900s that had an enormous impact on science. One was Nikola Tesla, and Tesla had developed a variety of engineering techniques for dealing with electromagnetism that led to long-distance power transmission by alternating current, and to the revolution of electric generators and motors that led to the world that we see around us today. If you look in your car today, you might find 20 to 30 electric motors driving the windows, the windshield wipers, and on and on. And what goes with this is, at the same time, Tesla discovered some phenomenon, electromagnetism, that no one seen before. They were due to him doing experiments at high frequencies, hundreds, thousands, millions, hundreds of millions of cycles per second, but also dealing with power levels that had never been achieved before. And this led him to the view that the universe has a space fabric to it, with the dimensions of 3 dimensions for space and 1 dimension for time. And what goes with this is it's filled with an ether. And the ether, because it makes up what we call the quantum foam of space, this ether ends up creating interesting electromagnetic phenomena like the strong force, the weak force, and changes in the density in the ether lead to gravity. Now, at the same time, Albert Einstein, in 1916, he finished working on a theory of general relativity, and he said gravity is due to the curvature of space. Now, Tesla objected to this. He said, look, you've got some amazing mathematics here, but really, when all is said and done, it's much simpler to look at the ether and see what's going on. And space itself doesn't curve. Space is space, but the ether can do all these things. And Einstein won this argument, and it turns out that Tesla was more right than wrong.